Hi everybody, my name is Debbie Wells, and I'm here to talk about the three assets that I bring to the class. The first one is my experience. I've worked as a licensed social worker in Ohio for about 30 years, and I have experience doing assessments, individual and group counseling, and working with a variety of populations. The second asset that I think that would be useful is my writing skills. I have written many grant applications, developed proposals for programs, created many presentations, and so I think that my ability to put together information in those formats would be another asset that I could bring. And the third asset that I could bring is my research ability. In doing all of my other job duties, I've had to conduct a lot of different research, finding information, statistics, information to support my proposals. And so I have, over the years, learned a lot of different resources and different areas where I can find information and find statistics, find the information that supports my projects and my programs. So I think those are the three assets that I bring. I look forward to working with all of you and learning about you. Thanks for watching.